House TV. That's Alana. That's Amelia. Hi, Smilers. Hi, Smilers. Today we are going to be doing bird seeds. Bird seed feeders. All those lovely seeds. First, you need some bird seeds. And then next, you need a plate. And some peanut butter. Some peanut butter. I'll do peanut butter. And some empty toilet rolls. Then we need to open it. And a knife. First, we open the peanut butter and spread it all over your tube. And you've got two and I've got two. Spread it all over the tubes. Use your fingers or a knife. Just put a thin layer on all around the tube. Like this. Like this. Like this. Keep spreading it. Keep spreading it. Everyone, keep sitting down. I did this at school. I didn't. I did. Stick on like this. When your tube's covered, put it on the plate. It's stuck on my hand. Roll them in the bird seed. Rolly, rolly, rolly. Roll it in the bird seeds. Done. We've finished this. Let's do them. Now, what to do with these bird seeds? Now? We're going to hang them where the fairies live. Or the elves. Now you put the tubes over branches on the tree. And the birds get a tree. But if the dogs or cats come along, they might take it. Like this. At school, we found a dead bird. It got killed by a cat. We saw the wings, we saw the brain. Did you see the blood? No. Now for the best bit. Hi, Smilers. We're going down the railroad track to see the fairies. But first, I'm going to tell you about these. We got them yesterday, and they're called walking boots. Today we're trying them out. New walking boots! Keep falling. We found where the fairies live. There's a fairy here and there's one there. There's a fairy there. There's two fairies there. There's a fairy there. Where? No, that's a dinosaur. Don't step in it. Someone's made it. I found. Oh, spinning. Let me try. Are they all blurry? No. Let's just for the fairies. We put in the letter and then we hang in the bird seed things up. Can I put the letter? Just pretend. Wait, now these are what the fairies eat with. Knife and fork. Ooh, pennies. We're going to find some branches. Here. Got some.
What's it got? Do that one there, mate. Do that one there.
Hopefully the birds will enjoy those, even the pigeons. Bye girls and boys. Over there. Bye boys and girls, hope you have fun watching these videos. Can we go say bye to the fairies? Yay! Hope the birds enjoy. Oh, I can see them. Hi from Banana Smells TV. Now we're going to Three Jolly Sailors. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up for that. That peanut butter's nice. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. There's a spider up there.